Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super duper quick tutorial for you all. I'm going to be showing you guys my go-to eyeshadow look. Like I always like do this look. For those of you that have been on my channel for years, for my old subbies, you'll know this quad, and like you know when I actually got the quad and put the eyeshadows together, and look at it now. And literally this is my staple. I go to this like all the time, and it has 4 MAC colors. I don't remember the name of the shades, but I will list them below. And I tend to use this color here and this color. So these 2 colors are the colors that I would use most of the time when I'm transitioning. So the trick with this eyeshadow technique basically is to find transition colors that are suitable for your eyes. So it's to find colors that, you know, when you put them on your lid area, where it just kind of blends in seamlessly and gives you like a pop of color. That's the trick I find anyway. And this shadow here, actually these shadows that I use from MAC are quite universal. I use them on myself, I use them on slightly lighter people, slightly darker people, so a lot of people can get away with this color. So I'm going to go into this color here. So what I do is I take this color and I'm just going to work it into my crease. And what it does is it literally just gives like the perfect warmth around the eyes. I love it. And I kind of work it slightly into my nose contour as well, so everything looks nice and seamless. Hope you guys can see this, because filming on myself, it's been a very long time since I filmed on myself. Well, since I filmed like an eyeshadow or a makeup tutorial on myself. I've just been doing transformations. I've only really done talky videos on myself, so I'm still getting used to this whole being a YouTuber shenanigans. Next I'm going to go in with this color here, and I would like to think that this is brown script. I'm just going to take a bit of that and I'm going to work it like slightly lower into my crease. Yeah, just there. You guys can kind of see where I've packed the shadow on. Don't worry about that. Work it into my crease a bit. And take that very first color and I'm just going to blend it all out. Well, blend the darker color out. I'm gonna just blend, work into my nose contour. Guys, I don't know why the middle of my brows look extra like super shiny, because it's not shiny in person. Must be the light. With this look comes the wing liner. Get a bonus tutorial, or do you? Because it just depends on if I can actually get this liner the way I wanted. May the gods of liners be with me today. And yeah, this is how I do my eyeliner. Just look at my face now. I went from looking like I just got out of bed to actually looking like I made effort on my makeup. And then for my waterline, I just go in and apply some of the gel liner. Once I have that done, guys, I go in with this dark color here from the quad, and I just use it to blend out the liner on my waterline. Sometimes I don't do this. I would just like go in and apply mascara if I don't want that like smudged out look on my waterline. But for most of the time, you know, I have everything on my quad, so I'm like, why not? So I do use the dark brown to just kind of smudge under my lash line. I'm going to be using my Poised by Suliat. This is my brand, guys, patronize me. I'm going to be using my Poised by Suliat lashes in Dahlia. This one and I think Azalea are like my two favorite ones to use. And this is what this looks like. It just kind of looks spiky. Actually, this is not as spiky as Azalea, but I've used this, guys, so I hope it doesn't fall off. I hope you guys can see that. I'm gonna take some of that. Actually, guys, this was meant to be a 2-minute tutorial showing you guys how I do my two transition colors. It has gradually turned into a liner and a lash tutorial. This is gonna be funny because every time I do my lashes I use both hands and I literally like go in like this into the mirror. But today I was like, let me try and do what like other makeup artists and what other YouTubers do. I decided I'm going to use my tweezer, and wish me luck, guys. I might just end up using both my hands because, you know, as long as the lashes is on, why do I need tweezer? But then again, I just feel like when you put the tweezer, it just looks like so professional as opposed to like using your hands, because I always use my hands and my long claws. But look here, one life. I'm going to do these eyes first because this is my good eyes. Or is it? Alright, I can see why people use this. Alright. Even though I ended up using my eyes, I said my eyes, my hands for most of it, but at least I lived on the edge a little bit. When I done, baby girl, who is this? Oh, tweezer gang. I've forgotten. I was about to use my eyes. I said my eyes. Why do I keep saying my eyes? My hands. Yeah, disaster. Yep. See, that's my good eyes. This eye likes to be moving mad. Sorry, guys. The camera stopped recording there and I don't know where it stopped, so hopefully you guys did not miss too much or all of the eyelash application because I would actually cry. Like, this is not the eyes that I started the video with, but you know what to say. You know what to say. I don't know what to say, but I just felt like saying that. Of course, I'm going to be going in with my two mascaras, which is my Maybelline Great Lash, that you can't see the name anymore because it is very old, and my L'Oreal Miss Manga. This I use in my kit and this I use on myself as well. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline to just blend my lashes with the falsies. Apply some on my lower lash line. So guys, we have come to the end of this quick tutorial, or is it really quick? But yeah, where I show you guys how I do my go-to eyeshadow look that I always rock with my two babies, my two transition colors. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I made sure to talk through as well instead of doing a voiceover, so you guys can actually see that I'm a bit cuckoo, you know, so you guys can actually see the craziness behind the camera, because I always do voiceovers and I sound super posh and like, oh, welcome back to my channel, but really like cray. I'm ranting while doing the makeup and saying a lot of things which you guys saw and heard. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this eyeshadow look. Is this something that you'll try on yourself? Let me know. And yes, that's pretty much it.